A tornado watch has been issued for Litchfield County, Berkshire County, Albany County, Columbia County, Dutchess County, Greene County, Hamilton County, Herkimer County, Montgomery County, Saratoga County, Ulster County, Warren County, Washington County, Bennington County, Rutland County, and Addison County, effective until 12:45 p.m.
Into a tragedy. With Life Alert, one touch of a button can get you help fast.
This is Life Alert.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 72, effective until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following county in Connecticut, Berkshire, and the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, Greene, Montgomery, and Saratoga. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 72 has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county in Connecticut, Berkshire, and the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, Greene.